Welcome to Engineering at Laney College. In this video, we will be going through our different course offerings for the spring and fall semester. Let's start by taking a look at the classes we will be offering in spring 2021. This spring, we will be offering Engineering 22, Engineering Graphics, Engineering 35, Statics, Engineering 36, Mechanics of Materials, and Engineering 77, Programming for Engineers using MATLAB. Now let's take a closer look at each of these classes. In Engineering 22, Engineering Graphics, you will learn both how to hand draw your engineering designs, as well as how to create 3D models of your engineering designs on the computer using a software called Fusion 360. Students in this class will also have the opportunity to create physical prototypes of their designs using the laser cutters and 3D printers in the Laney College Fab Lab. In Engineering 35, Statics, you will learn all about the internal and external forces acting on different structures. This class is a prerequisite course for many of your upper division courses like fluid mechanics and dynamics and mechanics of materials. In Engineering 36, Mechanics of Materials, you will learn all about how materials bend, twist, elongate, and compress when different stresses are applied to those materials. In Engineering 77, Programming for Engineers using MATLAB, you will learn how to solve engineering problems using the MATLAB programming software. This class is great both for students who have no experience programming and want to learn the basics, and for students who know how to program and want to improve on their programming skills. You will also learn how to make visually appealing plots, like the map shown here of San Pablo Bay. Now let's look through our classes that will be offered in fall 2021. In fall, we will be offering Engineering 10, Intro to Engineering, Engineering 18, Introduction to Electrical Engineering, Engineering 35, Statics, and Engineering 45, Properties of Materials. Now let's take a closer look at each of these classes. In Engineering 10, Introduction to Engineering, you will learn about the careers in engineering, the problem-solving process, and how to build and program robots. The video shown here shows a SumoBot competition between two student robots. Students built and programmed these robots to act autonomously and did not have any prior robotics experience. In Engineering 18, Introduction to Electrical Engineering, you will learn all about electricity and circuits. This class involves a lab where you will build and test different circuit designs. Engineering 35 Statics, which was described earlier, is also offered in the fall semester. In Engineering 45 Properties of Materials, you will learn about the molecular and microscopic structure of materials and how these structures determine the mechanical, electrical, and thermal properties of the material. This class involves a lab where you will have the chance to break a lot of different materials to test their mechanical properties. If you want to find out more about what's going on in our department or the projects students are working on in these different classes, follow us on Instagram at Laney Engineering. If you have questions about these different classes or the prerequisites for these classes, you can feel free to email me, Professor Mallory Barkdull, at mbarkdull@peralta.edu.